In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create different email campaign types in Mailerlite. If you're looking to engage your audience with effective email marketing, this guide will help you get started with Mailerlite's straightforward platform. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Mailerlite's homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login prompt. For those of you who find it convenient, you can choose the sign in with Google option, which will quickly connect your Google account with Mailerlite. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here, you'll notice the campaigns tab. Click on it. This section is the hub for all your email campaigns, giving you access to both your existing and new ones. Next, click on the Create Campaign button. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you'd like to create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a regular campaign, which is perfect for standard email newsletters or updates you want to send to your subscribers. Fine-tuning your campaign is crucial, and it all starts with naming. Type in a campaign name that is both descriptive and easy to remember, something relevant to the content you'll be sending out. After naming your campaign, move on to the subject line. Craft a subject that grabs attention while giving a hint of what's inside. Remember, this is your first impression in your subscriber's inbox, so make it count. Moving forward, you need to select your recipients. Click on Recipients and then choose All Active Subscribers. This selection ensures that your campaign will reach every member of your audience who is currently active. After you've made your selection, confirm by clicking on Select. The next step is to fill your emails with engaging content. Click on Next Content to advance. Here, Mailerlite offers a handy template gallery loaded with various preset designs to choose from. Pick a template that resonates with your message and click Choose. But don't worry, you're not stuck with the default design. You can click to edit the template and customize it according to your brand's palette or the tone you wish to convey. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on Done Editing. And just like that, your email is ready to go. The final step is to click Send, which will dispatch your crafted message to all selected subscribers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a robust email campaign using Mailerlite. We hope this guide empowers you to connect with your audience like never before. Remember, consistent communication is key to maintaining and growing your subscriber base. Happy emailing.